Hey everyone, I'm Jake from partygoat.com and today we are decorating for Christmas. Now, it very rarely snows down here where we are, and we thought this year it'd be so much fun to set up a winter wonderland with actual snow for our little nieces and nephews. So this year we'll be using Partygoat Instant Snow. We're going to mix this up. You just add water to the snow powder, instantly transforms into a light fluffy snow. We set up here, we've got tarps down which will make for an easier cleanup. But each bag makes a huge 15 gallons of snow. Now, to give you a size reference, this big gold tablecloth that we've put down here is about 24 square foot. Now, each bag will fill that area about 1 inch deep with snow. Now, we've got quite a lot of kids coming and we want to make it look pretty epic today, so we're probably going to use 2 or 3 bags and cover this larger tarp area. All right, so making the snow is super easy. As we need to mix water with the powder, we're going to make it up in these large tubs, and then we'll be able to dump it all out all over our little play area for the kids under the tree. So all I'm going to do, open up the bag. We'll pour in the powder. Now we've already added the water that we need to this tub here. Now as I said, each bag will make 15 gallons of snow. So to do that, pour the powder in the tub. And then as we're inside, we're going to use a little less water to make it a drier, lighter snow. You can add more water if you want to make snowballs. So for outside play, add a little bit more water and you'll be able to make snowballs, which is pretty awesome fun. But I'll get the water now. We'll pour it in and watch it turn into snow. Okay, so we've added 6 gallons of water there and you can see it's already absorbed. And if we fluff it up now, it's going to expand out even further, making huge amounts of snow. I'm going to start sprinkling it around the tree and then we'll add in some more decorations, get the presents in here, we'll be ready for Christmas. That's one bag of Partygoat Instant Snow Powder has covered this whole area. But as I said, we want this to be a crazy snow day. So let's get a couple more bags in here and completely fill this space.
Whoa!